5 things that millionaires never buy. Luxury brands. They earn so much money, and so it's only fair that they buy the most luxurious things on the market. Well, not so much, because millionaires avoid splurging on luxury brands. They prefer to keep things to a minimum, instead of buying every other thing that has $1,000 on the price tag. Luxury cars. Most millionaires prefer keeping their car craze to a minimum. They might buy a Ferrari, but they won't usually go on to splurge on Mercs, Maybach, or other luxurious cars on the market. Most will prefer to have 1 or 2 luxury cars on their names. Huge mansions. Mark Zuckerberg lives in a residence that is only about 0.01% of his wealth. Most wouldn't believe it, but in all honesty, it's a great decision that millionaires can make. A huge mansion that's luxurious and has thousands of dollars spent on it can be a huge liability than an asset. The upkeep and maintenance of a huge luxurious home can be tiresome. They probably aren't planning lavish, expensive weddings. Anyone who has planned a wedding knows just how costly they can be. But those who are good with money aren't planning to spend lots of money on their big day. Really, all we paid for was all the decorations, food, and a little bit for the reception venue. Clark wrote, "I don't understand why people think they have to spend $50,000 on a wedding. I'd rather travel the world for a year with $50,000 than spend it on one day." They're not buying things on credit that they can't pay for, whether it's a $2,000 purchase or a $20 purchase. Those who are good with money won't pay interest on their purchases. Carrying a balance on your credit card means you'll be charged interest every month. And it won't be cheap either. Many credit cards will charge interest rates of 25% or more.